We're always on the lookout for interesting designs, and that's what we have here with the American Benchcraft Caliber Money Clip wallet. So let's get into it. I always mention going to walletopia.info. Go there, register, and really go to explore.walletopia.info. That is a fun little site to be able to see wallets in an interactive way and find your next one. This is the Caliber Clip wallet by American Benchcraft. We open it up here, we can see we have information about their organization, which is nice to see, the story and so forth. And this particular box is a slider. Good instructions on the back. Take the wallet and more fun things in here, as well as, again, I like it when companies do this. This is an RFID card. We talk about this often. If you're concerned about RFID, which I argue you shouldn't be, but if you are, get a card. Don't buy an RFID wallet. That is a total waste of money, and you're really not getting your materials worth out of it. So we'll set this aside and get to the wallet itself. Simple in nature, which is really nice and honestly isn't a bad thing for wallets. This is just really cool. So it has obviously a slot up here for cards, and we have our money clip. I think we can get something out of this too. Let's take a quick look. Rivets is what holds this together instead of sewing, and I'm seeing more of those as I explore more wallets, and I quite like that concept. This is a nice weight of leather here, and it's lightly burnished. It's really cool. Titanium is what this clip is made out of as well. So this is cool. Now to the feature review of the American Benchcraft Caliber Clip Wallet. As we mentioned in the unboxing, it's a very simple wallet, which we like. On the exterior, we have a money clip right here. This money clip requires you to fold your cash twice. We go to the back. We do have a slot underneath here, and we'll look at this in the cash and card insertion test and really after in more depth in the review. This is usable space, and in the top here is where you put your cards. Cards go down from the top. They also have the corners that poke out here, which is I think great, so you can help push it up as well as you're pulling. And that is a quick review of the features. The American Benchmade Caliber Clip Wallet. Now to the card and cash insertion test. Comes in 4 colors. You can choose the color of the leather as well as the hardware here, the rivets and the money clip. This is, I'm trying to remember whether it's nickel or titanium. I'll make a correction if I'm wrong there. Now this can hold up to, minimum probably 4 cards I think is reasonable. The company says up to 4 cards, which indicates, and they also say you could hold a wad of cash. So confidence is high in the amount of cash that can be pulled from this. And of course it has to be folded in thirds or in quarters. Regardless, it's twice. Okay, from a quality perspective, it's designed and made in the United States. It is a full grain veg tan leather, and these are solid brass or whatever rivets that you may choose here. Very high quality. Here's the best part. It's priced at $29. It's very easy to use. The money clip is not too tight, which I know is a real stickler for some of us. And you can see it has a nice lip here, which helps move it in. And the money clip is part of the design of the wallet and how the leather comes here, which facilitates, of course, cards being put in. It has a backstop here, right down here for the cards, so it only goes down so far, and that's where we have this rivet that's in place to stop that. With only rivets involved, there's no sewing. This thing is going absolutely nowhere by way of it coming apart. And that's one of the benefits of this wallet, is the simplicity, but also the intensity of the creation process. It sits nicely in your pocket. It's very low profile, and really up to 4 cards, that's not bad. This is a great easy out on the town type wallet, and it's still pretty stylish. From a measurement perspective, it's 3.2 by 2.9 by 0.5, and it weighs 33 grams. This thing is guaranteed for life by American Benchcraft, and they make an extensive line of other leather products, including belts and sheaths, for all kinds of different things you want to carry in your everyday carry life. Now onto the final score. For quality of 5, price of 4, nicely priced, features a 3, usability a 3, and perception of 4. Feature-wise, this wallet meets all the needs of what it can provide, meaning its features meet its capabilities. Cards and cash. It gives us a final score of 40 out of 50. Neat little wallet. I really like this concept, and the simplicity but also the compactness of it is really attractive. See you in the next review. Bye.